Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here is my first look for St. Patrick's Day, and if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So we'll first start by priming our eyelids, and I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. And I'll be using a Bare Minerals Covers Concealer Brush, and I'll list down everything I used down in the description box. And then to set my concealer, I'll be using this color right here. And that is from the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. For our lid, I'll be using this color right here. And then I'll get a small brush, and then I'll use this gold color. We'll add a little bit of Fix Plus. And this will go on our crease. And then for eyeliner, I'll be using the e.l.f. liquid liner in the color Jet Black. And then for eyelashes, I'll be using the Kiss Custom Fit Lash in the style High Curve. And then for our waterline, I'll be using an e.l.f. Brightening Eyeliner in the color Black. And then I'll go back with that same green color that we used for our eyelid. And then for our tear duct, I'll be using that same gold color. And then I'll add 2 coats of my favorite mascara for our bottom lashes. And that is the Maybelline Great Lash Blackest Black. And then to bronze our face, I'll be using the Sephora MicroSmooth Baked Bronzer Duo in the color Honey Heat. And to highlight, I'll be using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in the color Moonstone. And for lips today, I'll just be using a lip liner, and the lip liner is from Essence, and it's in the color Satin Mauve. And then to finish our makeup, I'll be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And here is the finished look. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.